So I was, researching, looking around, and I realized there are not a lot of content tutorials, how-tos for women of color who have hooded eyes, who just need something easy and beginner friendly. So I'm here to help. Welcome to my channel. My name is Carla. If you're new here, hello, welcome. This channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and of course I review content. So if this is something you want to see, or you enjoy seeing some how-tos or some tutorials from me, then stay right here, all right? For those that are old schools, always rocking with me, how you doing, boo? Let's get popping with our makeup, okay? So today, I will be doing an eyeshadow look from the Juviasplace, the Nubian 2 palette. I love this palette. I've used this a couple times, all right? So we're gonna just show you a really easy, basic beginner eyeshadow look for us girls who have hooded eyes, all right? So stay with me. All right, so the first thing I do to prep is prime my eyes, and I am using e.l.f. Putty Primer. That's what I use. So then the first thing, ladies, we like to do is I have an e.l.f. smudge dome brush that I use, and we start with the crease area first. All right, and I think I'm going to do the how about we do Madagascar? I'll show you the shade. We'll do Madagascar right there. We'll do that one. Because we just want it simple, not doing too much. And this is good if you're work, school, or if you're a busy working mom like myself, you don't have much time. You honestly can only get away with maybe two colors. So we're gonna try that one first. All right, and this is above, as you can see, it's above, guys. See, as you can see. And I didn't put a lot on, just a little bit. And I'll just smudge it again, as you can see. And it's okay to layer, but you don't want to start off heavy, real heavy at the beginning. It's gonna be hell if you mess up trying to take it off. All right. All right, we're gonna do the other side. And Madagascar is like just a basic brown color. It looks very matte. You don't wanna, like I said, this is look is more every day. You can do this every day. I tend to, right? And then if you want to spice it up a little bit or add just a little bit more deepening, you can go with Kenya. Kenya is a little darker. You see, Kenya's right there. It's a little darker. Yeah. And Kenya has like you have to tap Kenya a little bit, because Kenya can come off a little heavy. So we're gonna just doing the edge. Yep. Take off Kenya. And we'll even come down a little bit. Just a smudge, see? All right. Then the next color we're gonna take we should do something like the Sheba. Let's try Sheba. We'll do Sheba. And Sheba will go on the lid at the beginning, okay? Just like this. And you don't rub it, you press it. Oh, Sheba is pretty, y'all. And it's like just a tap, like your tap, 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 tap. Ooh. Ooh, they can't handle Sheba, honey. Look at Sheba. Look at Sheba. Woo! Sheba is pretty, honey. Sheba is very pigmented. And we just tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, we like it. Look, Sheba opens up our eyes. Sheba is very natural. Sheba can be every day. We like Sheba. Oh, we like Sheba. Now, I'm not doing lashes or anything like that. I just wanted to show you how 2 colors, you know, ladies, us working moms, we don't have a lot of time to, you know, do 3-dimensionals and cut crease and all that. Sometimes all we have is 2 colors. So let's make it happen with 2 colors for the rest of the week. Go pick up the Juviasplace. Go, I bought mine from Ulta. $20. You have various colors. The Nubian 2 has so many colors to work with, and also can give you a couple fall vibes. Fall for your eye look. But definitely, this is definitely looks for the working mom who wants a little color, little pop to her eyes, but can't go in with the cut creases and all that. So I just wanted to do something simple for you guys, to, you know, to help, you know, because, and as you can see, it really blends in. There is no line of demarcation. It just kind of goes in, and it's not so dramatic, but it definitely opens the eye up. And you want to look awake, because as tired as we are, you want to look awake, okay? And then, of course, my favorite mascara right now is the Maybelline, the Falsies. I love it. Kind of makes your eyes kind of pop. And let's face it, guys, to be totally 100% honest with you, we wear masks. If you're a working mom like myself and I leave home, we wear a mask. So the mask is covering from here to here. You want your eyes to kind of pop out. That's all. You just want your eyes to pop. So I'm gonna do my mascara. And then a little powder. Pull these apart. All right, and you see, it just brightens up my eyes, and I'm ready. I'm ready for the grocery store or work or school. Yeah, and sometimes this is all you need. And for some of us, a lip. My go-to lip would be, hold on guys, my go-to lip would be You know what? We can do ludicrous. Neutral. I mean, you're gonna be wearing a mask, but I mean, if you wanted to do a lip gloss. And this is with no lip liner. See? So, for me, this is simple. And then, of course, I would just dust with a little powder. If you're an oily girl like me. That's it, guys. So we're all done. I hope that this, you know, how-to tutorial was very easy for you, very simple for me to do. So I hope it was very simple for you to do as well. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to like this video. If you also would like to see more beauty related how-tos on eyeshadow or lip or makeup, please feel free to comment below and or like the video. That will let me know that I should continue to do more beauty related videos in regards to how to help my sisters. So this is it, and this is natural sunlight that you see this look in, as you can see. So this look is very doable, and it's for the hooded eye girl as myself. All right, so I hope that you guys find this useful for yourself. Good luck, God bless you guys, and most importantly, or more than anything, find peace within yourself. And I promise you, your spirit will invite others in. Have a happy Sunday, guys.